In this video I'm going to talk about how we can move things using electricity. So I've got a couple of props to introduce you to before we get started. So here I've got a North Pole and a South Pole, and this is a magnet. This is a permanent magnet in this case. Yes, I know you can't have a North Pole without a South Pole, so imagine there's actually a bit of a horseshoe magnet around here, but I've just removed that so you can actually see. This can either be a permanent magnet or it can be made using electromagnets. I've also got a piece of wire, and this is going to use exactly the same principles as before when I had a straight piece of wire. All I've done is I've just bent it round into a little square shape. In a real motor you'd have lots and lots of coils, but I've just got one here just for demonstration purposes so it's nice and clear. So we're going to put the current through our coil. So it's going to go in one side, along, round and back out again. Yes, there's going to be all sorts of connections going on down here, but we don't need to worry about these for now. Think about the magnetic field that's going to be generated by this wire. So in this part, the current is going in this direction, so we'll put our thumb in that direction, and we can see that that magnetic field is going to be round in that direction. When we get round to the opposite side, the current is now going downwards in the opposite direction. So this is going to make the magnetic field go in the other direction. Once you've got that, what we're going to do is we're going to put this wire into the centre of our magnets. And now the two magnetic fields are going to interact. So the magnetic field from the permanent magnet is going to interfere with the magnetic field produced by our current carrying wire. What's going to happen is when the current comes in on the south side, it's going to be forced upwards. And on the north side, when the magnetic field is going in the other direction, it's going to be forced downwards. And this is going to make our coil spin round quite happily, and it will spin round and round and round. And this is the basis of how we move anything using electricity. So you can connect whatever you want to this spinning part and it will turn very happily.